Hello, this is Ed from Delta-Therm, and to show you how to install an ETK-IN, which is the End Termination Kit for our IN series cable. Here's a section of our IN cable, which looks like this. So what you would do when you get to the end of your cable run is you'd measure back 3 inches. You will score down the center of this black over jacket, peel this away, then there's a braid underneath that jacket. You would push that back and cut that off. And then it would look like this. Here's the 3 inches, and there's the braid that I just mentioned. And when you get to this part of the cable exposed, if you look in there, there's a couple of wires. Those are bus wires. They cannot be connected together or you got a dead short in your cable and then bad things will happen. The black plastic material between the bus wires is conductive. So we need to contain that so it doesn't make any connection to building steel, either through water or direct contact. And to do that, what we like to do is right down the center of the cable, we'll notch out about 1/4 of an inch just to help confirm that that bus wire and that bus wire did not touch. So when we get to that point, then you would take this piece. It's our end termination kit. It's shrink tubing and it has glue inside of it. So you would just put this over the top of it like that, and then you would take a heat gun and you start at the one end of this and you can watch it melt, and as it melts you can see the glue inside it start to flow out. And that's all that's required. The key thing with doing this is we do not want those bus wires to touch together, and we do not want any of that black conductive core exposed. Thanks.